How to use sub-item filters in Monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use sub-item filters in Monday.com. So if you're using Monday.com and you need a filter for your sub-items, then just follow this video and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into your account. And once when you're here, you can see you're redirected to this home page and you have a couple of boards here. So let's just go to our main workspace and open uh, some of our working boards. So I'm going to open this one. And here I have added some sub items. For example, if we are making screen and we are importing screen from different countries, then I've written the name of those countries and we can denote the status, the import. We're working on it and we have imported it. We are stuck here and we are working on it. We can add more columns as well, like the priority. China has the best screens, so critical. American screens are expensive, so low, medium, and high. We can put the date as well. Here you go. So we can see if we need to add more. Well, I guess we're done with that. Priority, timeline, date, connect port, checkbox, link. I guess we're done with that. We don't need any more. So these are my sub items. And what if I need to use specific filters for them? So what do we need to do? We need to go here on filters, click here, and we can filter the sub items. When we come here, we can see that sub item columns are right here. And that's how we use the filters for the sub items. For example, let's just filter them according to priority. Priority is low. So here you go. It just filtered out that sub item which has the lowest priority. Moving on, if we change it to priority is high, then it's only going to show the sub item that has the highest priority. We can add more filters as well, high and critical, then it's going to show both. Now, if we want to change the priority, and let's just do it to status. Status is working on it, then it's only going to show those sub items that contains the status of working on it only. So this is how easy it is. We can also filter them according to name. Name is China, Pakistan, India, and we can also sub item it, sub filter it via the owner. And there are other things as well, like date and all that. If we add more columns here in the sub items, then it's going to add up a new filter as well. So it's very easy. It's very simple. So this is how you filter a sub item in a board while working on Monday.com. You just need to click on this filter, click here, switch to quick filters and switch to advanced filters, and then come down here and below this sub item columns heading, you can see the filters of the sub items right here. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.